Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So ito reading ito for Water Sign. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magra-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. But anyway, okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Ayan. So, by the way, I am Madam P. At meron tayong Facebook page, guys. Kung gusto mo magpabook ng personal reading, pwede ka doon magpabook. Merry Christmas, guys. And Happy New Year sa inyo. Now, this is for the sign of water sign. Anyway, kahit nire-reading ko ito ng mga, ito, pa-end na yung, yung buwan natin, yung ating year. Okay lang kahit anong year or anong month mo to pinapanood kasi yung mga readings ko naman is timeless. Kung binibigay or dinadala itong video ko sa iyo, kahit matagal na ito naka-upload, meaning ito pa lang talaga yung time na dapat marinig mo yung message na to. Okay, so regardless of the year, regardless of the month or whatever, no, basta napindot mo yung video, naramdaman mo parang para sa iyo tong message, then this is for you. Okay? So let's start. Pa-message or pa-comment na lang dyan, guys, sa baba. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Pasensya ka na medyo maingay sa background ko kung may naririnig kang ngur-ngur. At least na medyo nabawasan siya kasi pag wala akong microphone talagang rinig yan. Malakas talaga yan, medyo nagwawala at may nagkakaraoke dito sa kapitbahay lang namin. Two of Swords, okay. So you do have here the Two of Swords, Ten of Swords. Okay. Water sign, yung iba sa inyo, a lot of you, nakikita natin na parang nagdidesisyon na may kinalaman sa ending. You do have here the Emperor. Ayan, parang gusto mong mag-build ng something ulit and then i-end itong bagay na ito. Okay? So, I mean, especially Scorpios, nagigets ko kasi Scorpios are like that eh. 'Di ba? Parang Scorpio rules transformation. So sila yung zodiac sign na talagang ay, di bale nang mag-end or tapusin yung bagay na to, tapos magsimula ulit ako, mas okay lang yun sa akin. As long na para mawala na yung stress or what. So you are, but anyway, this is for water signs. So Cancer and Pisces is open naman dito sa reading na to. So, ayun. So, nakikita natin yung pagdidesisyon mo regarding some kind of ending. Kasi yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nai-stress na or hindi ka na happy sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. Tapos, alam mo na you have a lot of wishes and alam mo na ma-achieve or magagawa mo lang yung mga wish mo na yon or yung mga gusto mo na yon kung i-end mo yung bagay na ito. So yung iba sa inyo, talagang may mga ending na naiisipan ngayon. So pagdating sa love, sino tong person, nakakonect mo for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You do have here the Ten of Pentacles and then meron tayong Ten of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, Ten of Pentacles is here. This could be a person in the past. May pera tayong nakikita dito. So, pwedeng this past person is nagkaroon ng involvement or connection sa inyo na may kinalaman sa money. Pwedeng naging business partner kayo or naging magkatrabaho kayo. Basta something to do with money. Or yung iba naman may napag-usapan lang or pwede may kinalaman din sa pautang, pwedeng ganon. Minsan na kayo nagkaroon ng utangan sa isa't isa or minsan mo nang nahawakan yung finances niya or vice versa. So the world is here. So pwedeng may separation or pagkakalayo sa inyo nitong person na ito, and this could be a person with a will. Maraming changes na nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon with the Temperance. I feel like this person is meron siyang mga unti-unting inaayos sa sarili niya, and I feel like nahanap niya na yung solusyon sa mga problema niya. So with the Queen of Pentacles, she could be dealing with someone who is very stable financially and pwedeng siya, karespe-respeto or marami ang tumitingin sa kanya, tumitingala sa kanya, and maybe hindi lang ikaw ang nai-inspire nitong taong to, maybe a lot of people, at saka pwedeng magaling siyang magsalita, magaling siyang mag-handle ng mga tao, and financially pwedeng stable talaga itong person na to. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles energy. So anyway, ano yung emotions ninyong dalawa ng person ito for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces? Anong emotion ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces? So, anong emotion ninyo? You do have the Eight of Wands and the Four of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. Okay. Guys, I'm seeing deleted message. So, pwedeng yung emotion mo sa kanya is once na sabi mo na, yung iba dinilit. Yung iba sinabi na talaga through message, through uh, chat, or through calls. Basta with the use of cellphone, telephone, email, ganyan. So anyway, yun yung emotion mo. Pero I feel like with the Four of Pentacles, yung iba kasi tinago. So yung iba pwedeng dinilit, ganyan. Hindi sinabi or what. And the Eight of Wands, pwedeng kasi may mga inisip ka regarding family or yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Ayan, anyway. Medyo nako-conscious ako. Masyadong maliwanag yung aking area dito. Anyway, emotion ng person ito for you. Emotion ng person ito for you. Three of Wands is here. Followed by the Seven of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Okay, this person loves you. Mahal ka niya. With the Ace of Cups energy, Seven of Cups. This person is manifesting. Minamanifest ka nitong person na to eh. And with the Ace of Cups, yeah, I see a lot of love. Seven of Cups, daydreaming kind of energy. So, iniisip ka niya, nagda-daydream siya sa'yo. Three of Wands, nami-miss ka ng person na to. And with the Emperor energy, pareho kayo. Like, pareho kayo ng ugali. There's a lot of similarities. I mean, pareho kayo na open sa distraction or transformation. Pwedeng willing kayong i-end yung mga bagay na dapat i-end sa buhay nyo. Lalo na kung tapos na yung mga lessons na dapat nyo matutunan doon sa bagay na yun. So, both of you are like that. Pwedeng pareho kayo na water signs or there's a lot of water signs sa kanyang chart. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, pwedeng ganun. Anyway, what will happen in the near future for the both of you for water sign? For water sign in the near future for water sign, please. In the near future for water sign. In the near future for water sign. You do have here the Lovers and the Three of Pentacles. And you do have here the Moon, the Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Moon is here. Clarify natin yung the Moon. The Nine of Cups is here. Okay. Seven of Swords. Okay. May lumabas pa isa. Seven of Wands. I mean, the message for you, Six of Swords is here, at saka Eight of Swords. Pagdating sa partnership, pagdating sa relationship, ang advice for you is go with the person na magbibigay ng growth para sa'yo. Not sugar daddy or sugar mommy kind of energy, pero kung sino yung magbibigay ng growth sa'yo. Kasi, I feel like with the Nine of Cups, there's a lot of choices in the future para sa'yo pagdating sa love or partner or whatever. Pero with the Seven of Wands, all of these choices, ikaw ang may kakayahan or ikaw ang, you have the choice. You have the opportunity na magkaroon ng pagpili or ikaw ang magdadala sa direksyon kung saan mo gustong mapunta. But the problem is with the Lovers, ito relationship ito, gaano ba ito ka-fulfilling? And with the Three of Pentacles, mas maganda kasi sa relasyon is yung may growth sa'yo, financially na rin. And kung sino yung person, nararamdaman mo, matutulungan ka na, na, hindi ko sinasabing gagawin mo siyang ticket para yumaman or what. Pero nagkakaroon ka ng growth through this person. This is the person for you. Okay? Kung kanino yung person na parang feeling mo, nagkakaroon ka ng growth dito sa person na to, dito ka. Hindi ko sinabing ang patulan mo yung mayaman or what. What I'm saying is that, ang piliin mo kasing love or relationship is the one na long term. Pag financially hindi stable or hindi ka kayang tulungan na mag-grow, parang nonsense yung love, kailangan pa rin naman nating gumising sa realidad na dito sa buhay na ito, sa reality na ito, we need money, we need something para mabuhay, para maging mas magkaroon ng, success sa buhay natin, and we're going to live our life na masaya tayo. And of course, in order for that to happen, kailangan pa rin natin ng pera. Okay? I'm not saying na i-judge mo naman yung mga choices mo. What I'm saying is that ikaw na mismo makakaramdam nito eh. Na pwedeng, halimbawa, itong person na to, parang ganito. Hindi man siya financially nakakapagbigay or abot sa'yo, pero yung mga ideas niya, parang nabubusog ka dun sa ideas na yun and somehow nakakatulong yun sa'yo para gawin yung mga bagay na sinasabi niya or ina-advise niya sa'yo, and from that, nagkakaroon ng growth. Okay? Hindi man financially na galing sa kanya yung money, no? But yung ideas niya, parang nagiging inspiration ito para sa'yo, para mas lalo ka pa mag-grow. So, ayun. Um, yeah, so that is it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.